Once again, what do we say about Ghana? We love Ghana! Yeah! Memamo Akwaba, as it's boldly written right over there. So Akwaba is officially welcoming you back to my YouTube channel. If you say Akwaba in Ghana or Kumasi, it means that we are welcoming you back from wherever you are. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Prima Gabi. This is a PG lifestyle. So I take you on road trips to different towns in Ghana, to hotels, restaurants, and give you insights on events as well. So previously we went to Dapojom in Kumasi, located in the Ashanti region of Ghana, to learn how kenke is made right from the local community. And you could tell that the women actually showed us how and when the kenke process making is actually done over there. And so today we are exploring the Ashanti region or Kumasi in general. That's a street food tour to have a vibe on the street. So we'll be purchasing sample food right on the street. We are starting from Adum and we walk through the environs of the cultural center and head on to Bantama. And so guys, I am going to do this with you. We can't always be in the restaurant and be buying food to eat. Yes, so today we are going to do the street food like I said. So come along, let's do this together. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you're new here, this is a PG Lifestyle. Enjoy this one. Let's do this. Right, so guys, since it's Ghana month and we having the street food tour in Kumasi, we actually passed through the Kumasi Cultural Center and we noticed there's an ongoing competition here inside the premises. They're having some kids dance competition and you could see that the kids are dancing right over there. And so I'm also seeing some beautifully dressed in the Ghana colors. So I'll be walking straight to them for us to catch some vibes with them as they also have some pictures and videos taken right here. So guys, come along, let's do this together.
Busca la what? Busca la vie. Busca la, busca la, busca la libu. Busca la, busca la vie. She bebe. Me a life fat as a dick bang. Body like Sandra Bennett. Jackie microphone leg bebe. Bebe. Anyways be there leke. Looking sexy like Arasta. Start don't be cool, you can shake that thing. Busca la vie. Busca la what? Busca la vie. Busca la, busca la, busca la libu. Busca la, busca la vie. Shake that thing. Busca la vie. Busca la what? Busca la vie. Busca la, busca la, busca la libu. Busca la, busca la vie. I've got the money, I've got baby girl, you've got the body, I've got the boss, I've got the bag. Sit there for less somebody. Stay calm, let go long. Can you mean lame, man, let go long. If I see, can you get to us? Put me in room, man, let go cross. Sister like as a bum. I know my thing, I really love fake. yeah, free Yanara. Wamange, yeah, free Yanara.
So guys, you could tell that I'm not the only patriotic citizen in this country. You could tell that these beautiful kids right here also love Ghana just like myself. And since it's Ghana month and we are portraying Ghana very higher, this is a dancing competition that's happened at the cultural center and they are actually part of the contestants. And so kids, what do we say about Ghana? We love Ghana! Yes, once again, what do we say about Ghana? We love Ghana! Yeah!
So when my boss was afraid of how to dance, I had to kill him with a little big small move. It was
For
just a small
myself, I can't dance to save my life. That's why he actually did the dancing. You know, it's a shared responsibility. I can't be doing everything by myself. So that's why he did. So guys,
This
let's
a lie.
continue.
This a lie. We have to see him dance. Sure,
Whatever.
we have to see him dance.
So guys, since we are exploring the street food, we just saw a bro and Katia. So this is actually maize. She has granules as well. She has popcorn. So usually, if you're done eating, this is what we usually have to be chewing to wipe off all the smell off. And so we are going to get some to buy from her. Pachameto and chewing it. Pacha, what's an I say, what's up? I say. Wait, no, share there. Millets. Sugar or one. And today the weekend on your king, it's a new nyaba started from scratch. Why heard in the current one?
Me, I'm sure
You
you gonna
you
be
watching. And we acquired Docono what I could do.
And I'm going to
Make a Docono than they know what I could do. Matia. So we are right here. We are about starting our street food tour, and we are actually getting a car straight to where we're going to start. So guys, we are here by the streets. Getting a car straight to wherever we're going to start from. So guys, anticipate. As we are about to start our street food tour, we actually passed through the central business unit of Kumasi, and you know the incident that took place on Friday. Sadly, we had some shops that got burnt, as you can see from the background over there. And we like to use this opportunity to wish all the victims and everyone around the victims to egg them on. You know, it's such a trying time for them. And so we like to say that may the good Lord strengthen them and restore them back. So guys, let's carry along with our street food tour. I can't wait to start with the first meal already. So let's do this. Good evening. That's what I also say. I'm a top 5. My 5 billion. That's what when I done I'm there. I don't know. I don't know. So this is the first item we are buying on our street food store. It's ice. So it's actually called Willy One. Willy One. And I give for Willy One. Willy One. So it actually has different names. Kumasi, you can call it Willy One. Some also call it Asana. I think the other words she mentioned, I actually have forgotten. So it's when they grow and so it's actually extracted from maize. They add some spicy stuff to it as well. Then add sugar. We add milk to it as well. So it's actually served with ice. And so you only want to know iron, and I can't wait to test it. Alright, so guys, cheers. It tastes good. Hold on, you're fine. Yeah, man.
In our local language, this is called alina. It tastes very good when the sun is shining. So today we didn't come and we have to pass through so we didn't come in. You take this in a hot sun, really throw it through your throat. So cheers. So this is Kosia and Mabo in tree. I want to know in our local language.
I want the name in tree.
Kosia and Mabo. So we actually have to get some Kosiani Meko. See, he likes taking Meko part. You see this guy?
So cheers.
He just swallowed an entire full cock. What's your kind?
So we are still on the street food tour vibes. Now we are here at Amelia's Cocoa. Where you make cocoa. Usually you know that we have to be buying cocoa or porridge in the mornings, but as we are exploring the city of Kumasi, we came across cocoa right by the street. So it's actually porridge. It's a millet porridge, and so we are going to have a feel of this evening porridge right over here. And see, guys, you are invited to this one as well. Let me buy my porridge from Abelia and let me give you the feedback or review. That's the peach lifestyle. I'm also looking forward to this. Mekano creme sandberg. So this is where I'm going to eat my porridge or drink my porridge. So guys, you are invited. This is a new cocoa. We shall for the more who know. At the outside where Adum, to me appear so Adum pampa so. I don't know about Adum cocoa. So guys, you are all invited. It's hot and spicy. Oh my goodness. It's evening and it's so hot. I'm sure they actually got it for evening purpose. Yeah. You know what? I think the spoon is not helping me at all, so probably I have to go the local way. Since a local again, you put street vibes, then they are very different. So let me just carry along with this one, since this will be much more better. My goodness. So guys, we are done with the porridge and we are here at the Adum Pampaso. So we're going to take Praja to Bantama High Street. So it's a Sunday evening and the place usually packed during such days. So I am going to just head on right to where the Praja is and get a car from here to Bantama. So guys, come along, let's do this together. Bantama, what do you say? Are you on Pampanache runabout? Thank you. Oh my.
So we actually here at Bantama. I don't even know where to. I think this is my first time coming to
Bantama High Street.
High Street. Oh, okay. So this is the Bantama High Street. Alright, let's go. So we are exploring the streets of Bantama High Street. I don't know what kind of food hubs they have over here, so we are just exploring. When we see anything that's it's actually going to be good for the system, we just have to take it, you know. So this is a Bantama High Street. Huh. Next time we will come here for pizza, you know.
That's Pi's restaurant.
Yeah, Pi's restaurant. So we'll be coming here for pizza.
Ooh, there's a kebab.
Look at this. So we have sausage.
Abu, nasi. Koko, naden na wawa.
See how our boat is mixing stuff. Charlie, where is you?
International food.
Kebab.
You advertise them and you bet 2 years. It's who did that one. I say, we need to be that so. We're joining your friend has said. And I need to be that so. I see. So guys, if you pass through the Confanoche Teaching Hospital roundabout, right straight to the Pi's restaurant, you would see Abochi right in front over here. You could tell that his kebab are very juicy. I haven't tasted it yet, but I'm sure it will be good as it looks. Yeah. Yep, a journey.
That's how you deliver.
Okay, thank you.
Wow.
So you will do the shoe. Look at you.
And then and then baby gizzard. That was Mr. Butcher. Confirmation about now. Which channel? Nah. But yeah, I'm special. But no, you're delivering now. It's okay. Charlie, it's in the shop. As I said.
I'm not sure. It's the top notch. Abochi is not joking here, guys. Oh my. It's finger licking. I'm salivating already. It's an old kebab. That's I didn't feel the kebab. I thought it's going to be as it looks, but I mean, it's so hard. I take my recommendation back.
So we have some
Maybe the popcorn will clear their food levels, right? I will.
Yep.
So we get some popcorn right away.
Popcorn. My hair is actually busy.
Like, more or less like they see high salt.
They put sugar with sour cream.
So when you're betting needle account, so over here the popcorn is accompanied with needle. Yes. And so that's the needle she's taking right over there. You didn't get that.
Needle.
But you're joining to do that one.
Aha is popcorn stroke.
Oh yeah, Bantama High Street popcorn. Hot cake. Wow. So good. You can hardly put the sugar and the needle very well in it. Yeah.
That boy said I want to catch up with
like Osu Oxford Street. Yes, it's giving the Osu Oxford Street vibe. So this is where we're going to have our final street food. This is Amelia's special wache. The other time, this is where I ate the Diego in the Kumasi City Tour. You can check that video out. It's right there on my channel where I had a city tour in Kumasi. There was Diego I ate inside the video, so that was where I ate it. It's Ameria special Diego. But so we're going to enjoy special wache by Ameria. The advertising will be it's over here. I thought it was say. I'm in your money. You're the account of my strength.
But what change the style?
Oh, by the sell. Yeah, you can have one.
Watch it in the evening.
Tomorrow to be Monday morning, so you could tell someone is going to. No way.
I can see this case around me.
They're live there, you know. Flyer. Sorry, I picture the Canada. Ghana, yeah, Mr. France. Hey, back for Canada.
So as you are waiting for America, we are contemplating on how to bring you the live video on Friday. So
Charlie, they should
Friday,
join our live
Friday you have to join the live stream. Sharp.
It's actually Ghana Man's edition, and so you guys should come and join our live stream on Friday, 7 p.m. sharp.
Wait, Amelia is joining us on
Of
Friday.
course, we are buying her watching, so she should join our live stream on Friday. Amelia, yeah, live stream Fridays, last Fridays of every month. See, this one, they're in the Ghana Man. It's in the total stream food, so also we'll join in my. We are not subscribed to your channel. So what's smart to
Amelia will be.
Who are now what we're going to phone so there.
It's because customer fell and all the way.
Now more deliveries. I didn't hear. I'm not very asking.
Amelia is laughing. Amelia.
Now
So
Charlie also there. And I over me a discount.
Hey, Amelia. Maybe I get to you.
So this is so that's the price.
Charlie, and I do in Yakubio.
That should tell you Bantama High Street is a very busy street in Kumasi.
And who is doing the Kube?
Oh, it's a lady. First time. Evening. You're about Kube. And I know now.
Oh,
now, my necessity. What are you doing?
But Charlie, the life from there, you pay for join the life.
Sure. Tell them.
For join the life, Bob. Senior, evening.
What should I say?
10
Pasha, I mean, pay the engine, like the one we group on inside. I don't like the one we group, but I pay the one we get water for inside.
What a day inside.
Sure. So, Charlie, cheers.
This is evening food.
We wait for the night. Try this place here with fruit sound. Mango.
So all these mango for 10 cedis. This is Bantama market. Over here you can get varieties of food styles. Sometimes now we come and have a content inside the market. But for now, let's carry some mangoes home. It's fruits after all the meals we've got alongside the street. So this is our food we have. This is the dessert. This is the PG Lifestyle Street Food Tour.
What's it? Hey, so that you so no matter what you boy.
I have a very good belly. My stomach can actually take everything. So I don't have
But
problem.
if you throw your stomach, they take everything.
It doesn't mean I eat a lot. No.
He eats a lot. For this one there, I can testify. But with this,
Alright, so guys, this is where we are wrapping our street food tour right here at the Bantama market. You could tell we started from Adum, the business unit, and this is where we are actually wrapping up. You could tell I've actually had myself lots of street food over there, and these are also some leftovers I couldn't eat on the street, and so I'm taking it home. Probably you can also pass by and have your share of it. So I'm sure you've watched the kinky making process in Dakojom. If you haven't, kindly do so right over there. And so it's a wrap over here. I'm reminding Gabby, this is a PG Lifestyle. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you on another one. It's a wrap. Bye.